Okay, chickadees. So we have picked a question. We have researched that question. We know how we want to answer it. So now it's time to write our claim and write our essay and get everything started. Remember, your essay has three major parts, right? You've got your introduction with your hook, background, and claim. Then and then you've got your body that has topic sentences of evidence, explanation. You're framing those quotes like we've always talked about. And then you have your conclusion. So what I need you to do now is I need you to get this document open, right? So if you don't have it open, pause me, go open it, bring me back. So you are going to highlight up here which of the two questions you picked. And we're going to focus on the introduction first. I'm going to go section by section with separate videos, okay? So the introduction, remember, the first thing we write is the claim. I don't know what else to do if I don't know what my claim is. So I have to start with my claim. All right, so we need to start thinking about our claim. So let's talk about that. Your claim is your main idea. You answer the big question with your opinion if you're doing the argumentative, right? It was harmful or hurtful because blah, 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 blah. Informative, you state what you're going to explain. So you pick one of the two people, right? And you tell me three things about them. They were innovative. They caused problems. They made changes. They worked hard. Whatever the three things you want to say and prove about them are, right? So sentence starters, if you need them, right? We're down here. We're in the claim section. If I'm doing the argumentative essay, the gold rush was good, bad, mixed, a little bit of both, right? For California because, hurtful, harmful because, and tell me 1, 2, 3 reasons why. For the other one, I'm going to pick a person. So maybe I picked Elsa Jane, right? And I'm going to say it was an important figure of the gold rush because, and put it there. Now, I've given you some examples using slightly different language to show you don't have to stick to that, right? So the gold rush was harmful to many groups, including Native Americans, even though it helped California grow. So I'm going to show that it was harmful to many groups. I'm going to focus on Native Americans, but I'm going to show that it helped the state grow. So I've got three things that I'm proving, right? For the other one, it says Elsa Jane Guerin, also known as Mountain Charlie, defied gender roles and survived against all odds. So I'm going to talk about her other name, who she was. Then I'm going to say how she defied the gender roles. And then I'm going to say what the odds were that she survived against. I've got three things going on. So I want you to stop now and write your claim. Go back to your research. What did you find? What three things can you prove? And write your claim. Use the sentence starters if you need them. There's a guide with all of this in Schoology if you need to do some copying and pasting. All right. I hope you're working hard, not hardly working, my chickadees.